gonna show you guys how to make stovetop popcorn. If you don't have a microwave, you got Jiffy Pop, right? This is garbage. This sucks. That was $4. This is $5. You make so much popcorn with this, it's ridiculous. Add in some oil. We're just gonna coat the bottom. You can see there's a little bit extra. Next, we're gonna add in salt, some seasoning, kernels. Just a thin layer at the bottom. That's it. We're gonna turn the temperature up to medium hot. Now, if you like a caramel corn type taste, you can add some honey in at the beginning. Just add like a tablespoon. I like it. My kids, not so much. Oh my gosh, there's a pop there. Nope, another pop. Oh, it's time to start mixing this up here. We want to shake that pot up, get all those heavy seeds falling to the bottom. Oh my gosh, she's really rocking now. It's almost time to turn it off. Once it's all said and done, just serve it all in a nice big bowl, and you're ready for the show. I'm just gonna do one of these. Nothing wrong with that. You do what you like. This ain't Jiffy Pop.